Video I show you how to fix something went wrong while generating your image problem on ChatGPT. For solving this problem, go to settings, scroll down, then go to apps, tap on apps, scroll down, find out ChatGPT app, tap on ChatGPT, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Now tap on Play Store. Now search for ChatGPT. Tap on ChatGPT. Up to date your ChatGPT app if available any update version. Now open ChatGPT. Now I hope that this method fix ChatGPT something went wrong while generating your image problem.